Hey guys, this is Liz from the Outdoor Plus, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build the Diamond Grill Island. So here we have is our Diamond Grill Island, and it's going to come with our soft capping screws. So all you're going to really need, and the only tool you will need, is your drill. So let's get started. So the easy way to guide yourself on building the island, you will have some brackets, and you gotta make sure those brackets are installed towards the inside and they are facing up. So we're gonna secure our corner first so it won't move, and it makes it easier for us to install. Let me get my screw. Make sure it's evened out. There we go. All right. Let's just center it in a little bit, even it out, and let's continue to install the rest of it. So it's like a puzzle. You make sure it goes into those brackets. It's gonna be easy to slide in. Now we're gonna put our top. And our top is gonna fall right on those brackets that are facing up. Make sure it's all evened out. Oops. There we go. It's easy. Now, that is our 36-inch. We're going to do and continue the 30. The cool thing about this is that it's very lightweight, so it's very easy for me to install it. That's our back. I'm gonna do the front side. See how I'm lining up the brackets and just sliding them over. It'll be easier towards the end because once I'm done building it, all I have to do is screw everything in place. There we go. Now, last but not least, the smallest one, and almost finishing up my island. Front side. Slide it in. There we go. Our last piece at the end. Slide it in. Perfect. Last piece, guys, the top. And then we are almost done. Perfect. Time to drill. All right, guys, we are done building our Diamond Grill Island. It took me about 5 minutes to do. The best part about it is that there is no mess. Also, remember, it is cost efficient. It's very lightweight, and you will be saving on freight. The next step is for you to add your finish, and then add the grill, the griddle, the side burner, and the doors. And there you will have a completed island. Remember, we will be doing a video on installing the components, so keep an eye out for that.